Hello friend, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install Laravel on your system. By watching this video you will be able to install any of the version, so all the procedure will be same. First of all, you will have to type laravel.com and it will take you to the official site laravel.com, and you will simply click on the documentation. Internet speed is very slow, it's taking some time, so then you will have to choose the whichever you want to install. For example, you can click any of that. I'm going to click on the 7. You can click on the 8 or master, whatever you want. So you will scroll down, and first of all, to install the Laravel you need to install you can install it using a Laravel installer or via Composer, but in this video we are going to install via Composer. First of all, we are going to install Composer and then we are going to install Laravel on our system. It is pretty simple. So first of all, you will scroll down and you will have to click on the Composer simply. So you will click on the download, or you can simply access this site getcomposer.org, or you can simply download it by clicking on that, and you will simply click on the composer setup.exe and simply save file. It's pretty simple, and now you can see that it's being downloaded. It's just 1 MB or 2 MB, so you don't have to worry about their size. So you will simply click on that, open the file, and click install for all users. First of all, you need to install wampServer before installing Laravel, because the Laravel is going to run on a server, local server. So yes, click on the next. Pretty simple, and it is a directory where you want to install. For example, I will click on the 4.9. Next. It's installing Composer on your system. And now you can see that the installation has been finished. You can simply click the next button and you can see, click finish to exit setup, because your setup has been installed. By clicking on that, now you can check that your Composer has been installed or not. You can simply do that by simply opening CMD. You can simply just CMD and you can simply type Composer, and now you can see that your Composer has been installed. To make sure, you can simply type Composer and you will find out that 1.10.13 Composer version has been installed. So now we have to install Laravel. So we will simply go back and we will first of all turn on our wampServer. Yes, and now you can see that the wampServer is turning on, so it's taking some time. And make sure that click on this icon and simply click on 4.49, because whenever we were installing Composer, we were simply installing Composer in 7.49 when we were installing. So we will click on that. So now it will restart the services of the local server. So make sure where you already installed Composer, so in the same manner the same PHP version should be turned on. So now I will go back to the CMD, and now I will go to the official site of the Laravel, and you can simply select all the steps are same. You can select any of the version. I'm going to select 7. So we will scroll down. I will simply copy that code, this line, and I will go to CMD, and first of all what I will do, I will go to the WAMP directory, because I'm going to install Laravel in this WAMP directory. www. So here Laravel will be installed. So first of all I have to go to CMD, and I have to go to that WAMP www directory. I will simply type cd and WAMP for www, and simply it is in www directory. And now I can simply paste that line which I copied from the Laravel website, and now I will simply click enter. And now you can see that it is creating a Laravel 7.0 project. So it's taking some time, so please wait for some time, have some patience, because it's taking its time. By using these steps you can simply install Laravel. You can install any of the version. You don't need to worry about 7 or 5 or 8. All the steps are same, but make sure whenever you install Composer, make sure that where you install that Composer, you install that Composer 5.6, 7.3 or 4, because I installed my Composer in 7.4.9 PHP, so that's why I'm acting this version. Okay, if I active this version, then my Laravel will not be installed, because the directory will be wrong where the Composer was installed, because Composer actually was installed in this directory, in this PHP version. So that's why I activated that. And another thing is that for installing Laravel 7 or greater than 7, any version, you have must installed any PHP advanced version for that is above 7 or 7.3 will work for that. So it's taking some time. Make sure, have some patience. So I will get back whenever it will be installed. Downloading the Laravel, it's updating the dependencies, loading Composer repositories with packaging information. So it will take some time. It depends upon the internet speed of your system, so you don't need to worry about that. So now you can see that the Laravel 7 has been installed on your system. You can go to your www directory, and you can check out that your Laravel 7 has been installed. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will continue in the next video. Type our first echo world in the Laravel 7. Thank you so much for watching this video.